My birth stamp is lost forever.
cried Bert. Kip felt terrible.
I'll think I'll send to Bert a note.
He thought. Kip went up to his towel. He found a pencil and some paper.
Dear Bert,
He wrote,
I'm sorry your birth stamp is lost forever. Your friend, Kip.
Kip put a note into an envelope.
Now I just need a stamp.
He said.
This one looks good.
Kip put the stamp on the envelope. He put the envelope in the mailbox. The next day, Bert got the note. She cheered when she read it.
Yay!
Cried Bert.
Thank you, Kip. You got my note?
Asked Kip.
Yes.
Said Bert.
And my birth stamp is... And I got my birth stamp back. Where was it?
Asked Kip. Bert laughed.
You put it on the envelope, silly.